on Lightning Link. We just got a gigantic screen. $2.50 in dimes. We got a $125 ball, $125, $125. It's a $400 board to start. Come on, baby, get big. Uh-oh. Give me some more. There we go. Another 150 bucks. $500 board. Come on, baby. Keep coming. Not bad. 500 bucks. Take that all day long. In for 100 bucks in this machine. 804. Love it. See ya. Bye. At Verona, we're walking out after my hand pay, and I was playing hold and spin. Ellen just got a $300 bonus. I was down to zero money. I did the lucky chance spin 750 dimes and got the balls, one of which $150, $30, $30, $3.50. This is already over $200. So on a zero money, I had like 310 of the machines, so I said, let's spend 750. Don't go cold on me. All right, here we go. I don't sit in that machine. But the miner wants this, so I showed it 3 times. Come on. Keep coming, come on. No. No, that's all right. I put in 100 bucks and I'm getting out over 200, so. Okay. Let's go watch Ellen's bonus.
Thank you for playing.
1 second. Go ahead, Aiden. 247. On with zero money on the machine. Ellen hit this exact machine with a $50 ball in the middle.
And then all three of them
showed up.
came in, but all three of them like came fly down.
Right, so you still got 4 spins? It's right there.
Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. That's what's 100 bucks.
It's 100 bucks.
All right, come on, baby, be nice.
Ball.
At least the wild lady. You're mean. Be nice. Oh,
Ball.
$12.50. Nice. All right.
Slow down, little lady.
I know.
Something big.
That'd be nice. The $250 ball there would be awesome.
Extra 10 bucks. $15 on the side.
Yeah, let's go.
Drop all 3 like you did the last time.
Oh, that would be awesome. Oh, rescue, 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 rescue.
Okay, another, what is that?
I think that's the last one.
15, 17, 50, 22, 50, 27, 50, and then you still got 1 spin left. Not bad for $100 in a machine.
All right. Come on, be nice. Oh, my
got
gosh.
another one.
Wow. That's crazy.
Well, get big.
I hope so.
Push it over 600 bucks. Get our push money back.
All right, keep going. Come on, keep going. Ooh, that's what we need that to do. Rescue,
on,
rescue,
baby.
rescue, rescue. Oh, rescue. Well, you know what? We'll take it.
I'll put you another 30 bucks. 40 bucks. 35 is 154. Push you back 40. No, it's 100. Yeah, that's, there you go. Look at that.
Nice.
So you put 100. I guess she's still playing.
Oh, okay, sorry.
All right. We put 100 in each. I cashed it for 247. She's at 619. So
Okay.
200 turned into 850 bucks.
Nice. Okay.